This is MOTOROLA Moto G13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then open up the Google Play Store, sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar you gotta type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, hit that green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, as you can see, the Opera has been successfully downloaded and installed. Now we can boot it up as well as undergo a very simple setup procedure, which is mandatory once you are opening Opera for the first time after, installation. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or you can skip this step for now. The same applies for setting Opera as your default browser step. And at the final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.